I'm watching a YouTube video of this woman in Japan. She's only on a 125, but she's a lot more of a biker, but it's so adorable, than these so-called instructors. What really fucks me off is that whenever you get these people online or in person saying they're real bikers, they can teach you, they've got qualifications, the first question I always ask myself is, what car do they drive? Because there is no way if is that someone who spends most of their time driving a car going to have the same skills or the same reactions as somebody who only rides bikes. And you got these fuckwits who, there's one on YouTube earlier. Oh, I've got qualifications for this, that, and the other. I know what I'm doing. No, you don't. You haven't got a fucking clue. And he's saying about you have to keep your throttle in the same position, the same revs. That way, it's one less thing to worry about when feathering the clutch. This is called bollocks. If you cannot control the bike using all the things that you are there for you to control it with, like your throttle, your clutch, your brakes, by manipulating all of them, that is feathering the clutch, by using all at the same time, then you shouldn't be on a fucking bike. These are the sort of people who have the headlights on full beam all the time because they want to be seen. How the fuck are you going to be seen if you're blinding people? That's car driver mentality. Having your throttle locked in the same revs constantly is car driver mentality. They're teaching people how to ride a bike to benefit car drivers, not to benefit bikers. If any fucker ever wants to learn how to actually ride a bike, like how to put it on a center stand, most people don't know how to put a bike on a center stand. They're like grunting and grunting like a fucking 90s porn star. Give me a shout. I'll give you some fucking lessons. I've never had a car license. Half a century on this planet, I've never bothered with a car license. And I've been riding all types of bikes in, Christ, a dozen countries. I'm not a fucking fair weather biker, even though my body's crippled. Fuck it. It was just a little pet rant when I see some guy bragging about having qualifications being a biker. He's fucking not. He's a car driver with paperwork. That is it. And then I see some woman like this. I've got no idea what she looks like. You never see her face. You see her pussy, which is adorable. She's a great big fat grey thing. No, a big fat grey pussy is not Indian porn. But yeah, she's more of a biker than all these other fuckwits because she actually rides a bike. Not a car, a bike. It's only 125, but still, it's a bike. So if you're ever going to take lessons or try to get advice from somebody about bike maintenance, riding a bike, skills on a bike, ask them what sort of car they have.